I'm Sheila. I work for Memory Care Home Solutions, and we work with families that are helping loved ones with memory loss or dementia. Today I wanted to discuss car safety and what to do. It can be difficult to get someone in a car and not be sure what's going to happen. Often there are some solutions that could be effective, like putting the person in the back seat, putting on the child safety locks in the cars, and also using a device to kind of help the person. One option would be to use a device just like this. This is a buckle shield. It provides protection from the person being able to unlock their seatbelt.